Honestly, I don't make much money. I'm a non-for-profit organization.
You ugly!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I ain't never had shit, I did it on my own. I ain't got nobody with me, said it.
Damn. So we're heading back to Sydney now. It's actually, sleep wasn't that great. I woke up a couple of times because of my dreams, and if I tell you what dreams I was having, you're gonna be like, Assad, you are fried. I woke up like 3 or 4 times, and I hate waking up at 3 o'clock. Honestly, I think it's the devil's hour. I think 666, everything goes nuts. I was the Ayatul Kursi and everything. I'm hitting bangs and scratches on the wall. I'm like, bruh, I'm like, Allah, I'm your #1 believer. But my mom sees this, she's gonna be like, see, I told you not to stay in an Airbnb. Stay tuned, we're heading back to Sydney. Let's go. This is how you make someone's day better. Doesn't take much. Just gotta be nice about it and be genuine. Excellent. And I'll grab a receipt as well. And by the way, can I just say, man, the way you were speaking was real nice. It was like, you've got a good demeanor about you. So keep it up, man. Stay positive.
Yeah.
Good on you, man. Have a good day. See ya. See, I made him smile. I've done something, right? Yeah, so that's not to show you, oh, look, Assad, you're such an angel, look how nice you are, this and that. No, it's just to show you that complimenting someone is not hard. I made him smile. He might think of it and say, wow, I'm actually a good person. And he might feel better about himself now for the rest of the day. Maybe he won't, but you know what? I made someone smile, and that makes me happy. It really does. I'm not just saying this. Seriously, if you can make someone happy, make them smile. Why the hell not? So everyone, if you're wondering why your boy looks like a little bit of a porcupine now, it's because I went to get a haircut. Now unfortunately it's not sort of what I wanted because it's a bit too short, but it's okay. I was always ugly. The only problem is now I've gone uglier, so that's unfortunate, but what can you do? So I did not take you along to my AMG ride or my haircut. I am very sorry. Please forgive me. But now I've got a phone, and this is why I was actually in a rush. Someone said they want their phone fixed, and I'll show you real quick. The LCD is damaged. I don't want to show you the wallpaper because it's a photo of them, but they want their phone fixed. Sometimes in my spare time for extra money, I fix phones. I've got an iPhone 7 Plus over here. I'm going to be replacing that screen. Your boy's multi-talented. Jokes. We just gotta try if it works and see if it lights up, everything's working fine, then we'll close it up. Check it out.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
So it looks like it's functioning fine. I just want to make sure the touch and everything is working fine, the home button, the lock button, everything. And once it is, I turn it off again, close everything up, and then that's the phone fix. It took about 40 minutes roughly. That's how it normally takes. So you just want to sort of feel all the touch screens working. Sometimes the corners, very rarely, but sometimes it can be, and you don't want them coming back. So what we're going to test is everything. Everything looks like it's functioning fine, the home button, lock button, and everything. So I'm just going to close it up. I'll show you how it looks at the end. I'm going to put a screen protector for everyone that comes to me. I usually put a screen protector anyway because it stops the glass from shattering. So I'll show you the finished product. New phone, who dis? So this is what I'm wearing now. Button up shirt, jeans. I literally change my clothes so I can give the phone back to them and I can pick it up. And I usually wear that at home, but I swap over to this. Now I'll tell you why once I give the phone to them. One second. Okay, so we just fixed the phone. Honestly, I don't make much money. I'm a non-for-profit organization. The thing is that we actually don't make much money at all. Oh, my bad. What was I saying? So, so as I was saying, according to my calculations, that's what I do sometimes at night. They call me, they're like, hey Assad, fix my phone, you ugly rat. I'm like, what? Now the reason why I actually changed my clothes, this is how I was looking before, check it out. This is what I was wearing before. So compare that to something like just the button up and jeans, like you're just looking more formal, right? The thing is, when you go to see someone and you look less professional, honestly, your job automatically decreases of what they're gonna get. They already feel like they're getting something discounted. I see a lot of people present themselves in a poor manner. They might be really good, have the best products, best sales, everything, but they don't present themselves well. It's crazy. And I'm working from home. This is a business that is recurring as well, so I want them to come back if they break their screen. You have to present yourself in a good manner. So I like to change myself and look like this, and what happens is when they see me they go, okay, this guy looks professional, this guy looks like him. If I came out like that, it's like this guy's working, like he was sleeping just before this, or he was watching a movie and he's eating ice cream and he just got off the couch just to make some extra money and he's taking my money. He doesn't even do a good job. Trust me, it brings back people. They like seeing more professionals. I just wore the glasses just for that stupid thing that you saw, but what you reckon?
You ugly!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah.